Alright guys, as you can see, the Killer Bee here is taken apart. Took the motor out, took the battery out, the controller, everything. I'm going to be using this powertrain for a Go Kart project. I'm going to still use the key ignition with the voltmeter. The one thing that I'm not going to use is the twist throttle. So what I've done is I've cut the twist throttle off and the speed selector switch, and I've figured a way to replace it. I'm going to use this speed selector switch and a pedal throttle. So I've cut and soldered everything onto the existing wires, and now it is all set to work. Yeah, it's all set to work together. So that's plugged in. So this is going to go connected to the ignition system here. That goes there, and this is for that. Other way. Okay, and now everything is all wired up. Let's connect to the battery. Show you guys that it works. So now, okay, ignition's on. We're showing 83.6 volts. Let's try to charge the battery, and let's test the throttle here. So mode 3. Alright, and the motor keeps spinning, but when it's on the bike or on the go-kart with the chain, it does stop spinning. So yeah, we're all set. This is going to be going in the go-kart. This is all the metal that I'll be using for the go-kart frame. I have some other components here that I'm going to be using. I have the axle, the sprocket. I'm using the same sprocket pitch. It's a 35 chain as the one that's on the motor already. So I just needed to order the 35 sprocket, and I'm going to use the same chain, or if not, I have an extra 35 chain. These are the spindles, the brake. I have the mechanical brake disc. Here is the mechanical brake. I'll be installing that on there. This is the steering wheel, and then some miscellaneous 1/4-inch keys. What else? I think that's it. I have the wheels coming in today. These are for the spindles. Yeah, the wheels will be coming in today, and I'm going to start this build in 2 days from now. So stay posted, follow along, and watch the build come together.